When we talk about the archaeological sources, we find that there are various inscriptions, various inscriptions like Aaron inscription, like Mandsaur inscription, like Vitri inscription, like Junagadh inscription, Mandsaur, Madhya Pradesh, Mandsaur, Junagadh inscription. Different inscriptions are there. Then Mehrauli iron pillar inscription here in Delhi. Iron pillar inscription. Hmm. And then Mandsaur Bhitri, Bhitri. Bhitri is a place near Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. Bhitri, Skandgupta, है ना? Inscription. Vitri inscription. Bhitri. Vitri inscription. Mandsaur inscription. Aaron inscription. Junagadh inscription. Mehrauli iron pillar inscription. And the most one among them is the most important one. Prayag Prashasti. Prayag Prashasti means Allahabad pillar inscription. Prayag Prashasti. Prashasti, eulogy. Eulogy, Prashasti. Means in the praise of someone, no? Prashasti, Prayag Prashasti. Different these inscriptions are there related to different Gupta rulers. Prayag Prashasti is related to Samudragupta, Prayag Prashasti. Aaron inscription, very famous. Why? Because it provides the information for the first time about Sati system. First archaeological inscription about Sati system. Take down. First archaeological evidence about Sati system in India provided by Aaron inscription. Aaron is a place in Madhya Pradesh. First archaeological evidence related to Sati system in India. Aaron inscription. Very important. This is the inscription of Bhanugupta. Bhanugupta. So Gupta ruler Bhanugupta dated 510 AD. Aaron inscription is of Bhanugupta, not very famous Gupta ruler, dated 510 AD. Aaron inscription. And then Prayag Prashasti is associated with Samudragupta, his military campaigns, written by Hari Sena. Hari Sen. He was the court poet of Samudragupta. Court poet of Samudragupta. Hari Sen. He was the court poet of Samudragupta. Court poet of Samudragupta, na? He was a court poet as well as Sandhi Vigrahak. Court poet as well as Sandhi Vigrahak. In the previous classes, we have also discussed this. Sandhi Vigraha means minister of. डिस्कस किए थे नहीं किए थे? संधि मीन्स कमिंग टुगेदर, फ्रेंडशिप. विग्रह मीन्स एनिमिटी, दूर जाना, नजदीक आना. संधि विग्राहक, मिनिस्टर ऑफ वार, मिनिस्टर ऑफ पीस एंड वार, पीस एंड वार. Sandhi Vigrahak. Harisen was the Sandhi Vigrahak of Samudragupta and is inscriptor of Prayag Prashasti, which talks about the military campaigns of Samudragupta. है ना? And Samudragupta is known as Napoleon of India by V.A. Smith. V.A. Smith has compared Samudragupta as Napoleon of India. So Napoleon of India, who is known as Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. V.A. Smith is a imperialist writer, historian. He wrote early history of India. Samudragupta. Napoleon Bonaparte. Because Napoleon was also a great conqueror, continuously fought so many wars. Right? So as Samudragupta did in India. So comparison has been done. Mehrauli inscription in Delhi is related to Chandragupta II. Chandragupta, Napoleon of India. Napoleon of India. Mehrauli inscription, Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II, Mehrauli inscription. So iron pillar inscription, Chandragupta II, Mehrauli. We are discussing about the sources which deal with Gupta period. Literary sources and archaeological sources. Literary sources, Devi Chandraguptam and Vayu Puran. Inscriptions are the part of archaeological sources. So many inscriptions are there which talk about the Gupta period. So one important inscription is Prayag Prashasti, which is also known as Allahabad pillar inscription, written by Harisen. He was the court poet of Samudragupta. Mehrauli inscription, Chandragupta II, located in Delhi. Junagadh inscription, Junagadh, Gujarat. And this inscription is related to Askandagupta. Junagadh inscription of Askandagupta. Askandagupta. Mehrauli Chandragupta II, Askandagupta. Adigupta, Ghatotkacha Gupta, Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, Chandragupta II, Kumargupta, and Askandagupta. They are the important rulers. No? So Chandragupta I, who initiated the Gupta Samvat in 319 AD, Chandragupta I. Then Samudragupta. Then Chandragupta II, who is known as Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Then Kumargupta. Then Askandagupta. 5 important rulers of this dynasty. Only 5 important rulers. So, Junagadh inscription of Askandagupta. Mehrauli inscription of Chandragupta II. Aaron inscription of Bhanugupta. Not very famous, but this inscription is famous for Sati system, evidence for the first time in India, archaeological evidence. Mandsaur inscription, Madhya Pradesh, Kumargupta. Mandsaur inscription of Kumargupta. And Vitri inscription of Askandagupta. Vitri inscription. Vitri is a place near Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. गाजीपुर से आपके प्रमोद सर हैं, सुना है ना? हाँ, अस्कंदगुप्त. वितरी इंस्क्रिप्शन. गाजीपुर का नाम सुना है या नहीं सुना है? उत्तर प्रदेश का बहुत फेमस जिला है गाजीपुर. आजमगढ़, गाजीपुर, ये सब। ठीक है। आजमगढ़ से कैफी आजमी और सबाना आजमी। V3 inscription is nearby Gazipur. This inscription is related to Skandgupta and talks about Huna invasion of Hunaj, Huna invasion. Like Sakaj, Kusanaj, Hunaj also came to India. So they started to invade India during Gupta period. Later on, they invaded India, and the two important Huna rulers ruled very small span of time, that is Toraman and Mihirkul. Toraman and Mihirkul. These are two Huna rulers. Hun invaders came and ruled India for some time. Toraman and Mihirkul, Hun ruler. अब इंडिया में अभी भी ये सरनेम कुछ कुछ लोग रखते हैं, कुछ मिलिट्री पर्सनल हैं जिनका सरनेम अभी भी हून है ना, बट इमर्ज हो गया इंडियन का। हाँ, तोरामन TORAMAN एंड मिहिर कुल KUL, मिहिर कुल, इंपॉर्टेंट हुना रूलर्स। दे वर द फॉलोअर ऑफ सैविज्म, सैवाइड्स थे। They are the invaders and they followed the Saivism. They became Savites in India. After Gupta period, they ruled India for a small span of time. हो गया, ये कितना कर लिए। सो ये सारे क्या हैं, सोर्सेज हैं दो, टॉक अबाउट गुप्ता पीरियड, लिटरेरी सोर्स एंड आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्स।